friends, today we will discuss about the methods of valuing materials, or also known as the methods of pricing material issue. Materials are purchased in advance of the requirement and kept in the stores. In our previous videos, we had discussed about the material control mechanism. After the purchase of the material, which are not purchased at once but at different times in different quantities and in different prices, the store consists of materials purchased in different quantities in different dates at different prices. From the stock, required quantities of the materials are issued for production. When the materials issued for production from the stock consists of different lots at different prices, it becomes a problematic question, that is, to which price should we issue the materials from the stock, and the question of which price to be issued leads us to the methods of pricing material issues. On a broad category, the methods of pricing issues include cost price methods, average price methods, and notional price methods. Cost price methods, as the name suggests, is the actual cost price of the material. Average price method involves taking the average price of the stock. Notional price is based on different notions. We will look into the details of each of these pricing methods. Stock price method include specified price, first in first out, last in first out, next in first out, highest in first out, and base stock method. Average price method includes simple average, weighted average, periodic simple average, periodic weighted average, moving simple average, moving weighted average method. The third category of pricing method is a notional pricing method. This includes standard price method, inflated price, market price, and reuse price. In our upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the broad categories of pricing methods. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.